Let's learn our letters together. Here's the first one. A is for apple, a delicious apple. B is for bear, a big brown bear. C is for cat, a cute little cat. D is for dog, a happy, playful dog. E is for elephant, a huge gray elephant. F is for fish, a swimming little fish. G is for grape, sweet purple grapes. H is for horse, a fast-running horse. I is for ice cream, a cold, sweet ice cream. J is for juice, fresh orange juice. K is for kangaroo, jumping kangaroo. L is for lion, a brave lion. M is for monkey, a funny little monkey. N is for nest, a safe bird nest. O is for owl, a wise old owl. P is for penguin, a cute little penguin. Q is for queen, a nice queen. R is for rabbit, a fast-hopping rabbit. S is for sun, a bright, warm sun. T is for tiger, a strong orange tiger. U is for umbrella, a colored umbrella. V is for violin, a sweet-sounding violin. W is for whale, a huge blue whale. X is for X-ray, an X-ray picture. Y is for yellow, a bright yellow yo-yo. Z is for zebra, a striped zebra. Great job, everyone! Learning is awesome! See you next time!